Hi, you've reached the McPherson family. Please leave a message. Thank you.
Hey, Mom and Dad. It's me, Christine. It's the name you gave me. And it's a good one. Dad, this is more for Mom. Hey, Mom. Did you get emotional the first time you drove to Sacramento? I did. But we weren't really talking when it happened. All those Bens I've known my whole life, and stores, and the whole thing. I guess I just wanted to say I love you. And thank you. Thank you.